Hello, in this video we're gonna check if OnePlus Nord CE has a dual SIM card slot. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate the slot, and it should be somewhere around here, if not on the bottom of the phone. So here it is. You can see it right here. Don't mistake it for this microphone. Is this slot right here. Now let's take the needle, which should be included in your box, and stick it in this hot gap right here. Now use a bit of a force. That way you will open the slot like this. Now let's take it out and check if it has a dual SIM card slot. So it seems it has a dual SIM card slot because there's a 2 here and 1 here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.